Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to join the Fiverr Pro program. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, let's go ahead and open up the official Fiverr.com website right here as the first step, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here. So after opening up the homepage here in the upper right corner, you'll be able to see the sign in button. So we need to go ahead and log into your account. If you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create a new one. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by the main page right here where you can go ahead and browse all the sections that are accessible. Here you can see gigs by other people and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to become a Fiverr Pro. Basically, guys, if you're a freelancer on Fiverr, as you can see, here you can go ahead and become a seller. You already probably know that by clicking the become a seller button, you can get started posting your own gigs. So after posting a lot of your gigs, guys, and becoming a professional Fiverr, you can get started with becoming a Fiverr Pro. So as you can see, here it is how to become a professional. Here is all the benefits and so on, and all the applications that you need to have. So basically, you need to have a nice portfolio and so on, performance and outside of Fiverr, educational qualifications and so on. So if you have all of that, guys, you can get started with the application process. As you can see, you can click the link right here. That's going to take you to the Fiverr Pro journey where you can go ahead and get started with posting your application. You can go ahead and provide all of your info, why you want to become a pro and so on. And after that, Fiverr will look at your application and decide if they're going to let you join the program. If they are, you'll be notified via email and you'll become a Fiverr Pro. But yeah, guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.